Automotive engine oil pump explained. The oil pump in an internal combustion engine circulates oil under pressure to lubricate and maintain the temperature of the moving parts such as bearings, camshaft, and pistons. It is a crucial part of the engine's lubrication system and must function properly to prevent breakdowns. Function of the oil pump. Transferring oil to the engine, essential parts of the engine under pressure. Ease movement of the engine lubricant around the engine. Offers direction to the movement of the oil through the galleries to various parts. Helps to return the hot oil to the coolant oil in the reservoir. Keeps the oil circulation within the engine constant. Working principle. The oil pump is essential for engine lubrication, usually gear-driven from the crankshaft. It pumps oil to cool and lubricate the engine's moving parts before returning to the sump. In some engines, oil injectors are used to seal the space between the cylinder wall and piston rings, increasing efficiency. High oil pressure can blow out oil plugs, while low pressure can cause damage to engine components. This can be caused by a worn or defective oil pump, low oil levels, worn bearings, or oil gallery issues. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. Types of oil pump. Rotor oil pump. A gerator pump or rotor-type oil pump has an inner gear turning inside an outer rotor. The inner rotor has one less lobe than the outer one and is slightly off-center, causing the outer rotor to spin at about 80% of the speed of the inner gear. This creates a bellow-like pumping action that pulls oil from the inlet port and pushes it toward the outlet port. Close tolerance is necessary for good pumping continuity in this type of oil pump, which is mounted in the crankcase. Twin gear pump. The twin gear pump, also called an external pump, is located inside the oil pan at the bottom of the engine. It uses two intermeshing gears to pump oil, with one gear driven by a shaft connected to the crankshaft, camshaft, or distributor shaft. The gear teeth trap and carry oil from the pickup tube inlet to the outlet, and the tight clearance between the gears prevents oil from flowing backward to the inlet. Front cover oil pump. The front cover oil pump, also known as an internal or external pump, is mounted in front of the engine cover and works similarly to a rotor pump. It uses an inner drive gear and an outer rotor, with the inner drive mounted directly on the crankshaft. This direct drive approach eliminates the need for a separate pump drive shaft, causing the pump to turn at the same RPM as the engine. As a result, it generates more pressure at idle than a camshaft or distributor-driven pump. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.